everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Cocoapods for your project. So Cocoapods is a external library manager for Xcode projects. So it works for like basically everything written in Objective-C and Swift. But although the manager itself is written in Ruby, but it's okay. You don't have to know anything about Ruby to use it. And this is a very useful platform because basically all of the big companies, they will put their official iOS support in Cocoapods, and the best way to use them is installing those libraries using Cocoapods. So the first step to install Cocoapods on your Mac is type sudo gem install Cocoapods. So as I have mentioned, because this package is written in Ruby, we have to install it using gem, which is a package manager for Ruby. So if you have used Python before, you must know pip, right? So pip is package manager for Python, as gem is for Ruby. And after installing this, we will use pod for Swift. So you don't have to install gem itself on your Mac because usually it's pre-installed. But if you do not have that, there should be pretty easy way to install it on internet or something. So after typing this line, you can see yeah, it is installing these gems, and yeah, okay. So after this, these messages, we will set up our Cocoapods. So type pod and set up variables so that we can see the information about the installation, and enter. You can do these two commands wherever you are in the terminal. So because these two are global command. So this command, it is fetching stuff from the master branch of Cocoapods official GitHub repository into your local folder. So yeah. And this is Cocoapods official website, so you can search all of the libraries in Cocoapods using their website, and it's very convenient to use. For example, if I want to search for Facebook, just type Facebook, and you'll see a lot of stuff here, but just look for something that is officially written by Facebook. So if you see Facebook Inc. here, you can know that this package is a official Facebook package. And yeah, I'll show you how to install them later. Okay. Finally, sorry for the waiting. And so now we already have the Cocoapods set up on our Mac, and now the next step is go to the root folder of the project in which we want to use Cocopod. So we're now at the root folder of toy2. So to init the Cocopod, type pod init, which is like really like git init. Pod init. This command will add some Cocopod related files to our project. So you can see there's a pod file added, and there's pods folder, and let's take a look at the pod file. So this is a file we will use to actually install all the pods. So here, pods for toy2. So we'll put the name of all the pods we want to install in this area basically. So for example, let's install GoogleMaps. So go into this, and usually there will be some installation instructions here. So you can see, actually we only need this line, so pod space syncode and the pod name. So let's copy this and then put it here, and that's enough. And if you want to add another pod, you can just come here and then copy these stuff. And put all the pods you want to install here in this area. But I think we'll just try installing Google Maps today. So just save this file and type pod install. So this command will look at your pod file and install everything specified in the file. So just hit enter. Yeah, so you see that it analyzed the dependencies in the pod file and started to like download the real stuff. I think the things it downloaded would be put in this pods folder, so we can list the stuff in the pods folder. And yeah, you see there's a Google Maps folder here. Alright, and then using OS again, you can see instead of the original Xcode project, we now have an Xcode workplace. So from now on, we will work with our workspace in order to use all the pods. So let's just open Xc. Okay. So later, if you ever see your pods are not working, the first thing you have to check is whether you are opening Xcode project instead of Xcode workspace. Let me make it smaller. Alright. Now here in the on the left side, you can see in addition to our original toy2 target, there's a pods target. But we don't have to like care about this very much. So now the Google Maps has already been installed for us. Well, now we can just import it as any other Apple official framework. So for example, go to View Controller, and we can just directly import Google's framework here. So let's see. Yeah, let's see. Google Maps module has already like automatically pop out for us. So just type enter. And now in this file we can use anything provided by Google Maps. So for example, if I want to have a Google Map view in my app, I'll add over Google Map view and let it have a type GMS map view. And then we will use this, we can use this variable to actually create a Google Map view in our app. But I won't do this today because I'm kind of running out of time. So I'll actually just show you the effect directly. So this is an app I built like a long time ago, and so this is something you will get if you have a Google Map view in your app. So you can zoom in very easily, and yeah, in a very detailed way. And also, Google has a very convenient API that will automatically complete the address for you. So, oops, for example, 115 8th Avenue, Grinnell. And if you tap on this, it will like lead you to the location. Although I want to do this right now, but the server for this app is currently down because I haven't paid for it for a long time. So, although I really want to show you, but you can imagine the effect by yourself. Yeah. So this is Cocopod, and so basically, all the apps in AppDev will have Cocoapods installed. So just remember to use Xcode Workspace instead of Project. Yeah, so that's everything for this video, and hope you have fun with this powerful platform, whatever. Okay, so see ya.